Okay, guys, so you want to get approved for on-site commissions because that's where the money is with the influencer program. So here we go. Take a look at my stats. Now I got approved around December 8th or 9th, somewhere on there. That's when I was approved for on-site commissions. You can see that I made around $5,000 since then. The date is to 2023, and yesterday was February 19th, which is the last of the stats. Now, the stats aren't important. What you need to do is get approved for on-site commissions. So I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks, and then I'll give you enough information to kind of think outside the box and come up with your own videos. But let's move on from stats, and we'll go over here to my slideshow. Okay, so for on-site commissions, you want to know how to get approved, and you're going to need to submit your 3 videos. Here's script idea number 1, and there's many ways to do this. This isn't the law, but this can work, and it does. So script idea number 1, we're going to do a feature benefit video. So whenever a product is displayed on a product page, there's always the features, right? So let's go over a few things, and then you're going to always want to be thinking the benefit. So that's what you want to communicate benefits. They can already read the description. They know that the cable is 6 feet long. They know that it's a 5-amp cable. They know that the battery's 10,000 milliamperes. They know those things. What they want to know is the benefits. Why is that important? So let's go over it. So the first thing you're going to want to do with the product is spend 3 minutes reading the questions and answers about a product. That'll help you craft your video. So let's take a look at a product. Okay, so here we are on an Anchor power bank battery. So if you take a look here, there's 964 questions about this product. So that's a lot of information that you can use in your review. Go ahead and click on it, spend a few minutes and go through these to figure out what do people want to know about the product, and you can include those answers in your review. So take a look. So just briefly looking, take a look. So question number 2, how many watts exactly and how many charges can I get out of it? So how many charges can I get out of it? Very relevant. I would add that in my review, and I'm going to show you how to use that. Can this product be charged while powering another device? You could answer that. Anytime there's where the answer is no, I wouldn't include that in a review. Always include yes and positive answers, typically in your review. Will this charger get through TSA on international flights? Maybe you include that if you have personal experience. This is the battery that I take with me whenever I travel. I keep it in my backpack when I go through the airport. It works fine and it gets through without any issues. That's a benefit, and that's what I would add to my review. So that's part of crafting it. So anyways, spend time in the questions and answers. Now let's get to the next part. Spend 2 minutes going through the product description. And what you're looking for is what are the keywords the seller is using to describe their product. So those are the keywords we want to look at, and we want to include those as a feature in our review. So let's take a look at that battery again. So every product page has an about this item. You want to spend a few minutes, just read through it so you can get the keywords in your head, and then write out your review. Either keep it in your head or whatever. I usually just read through it and then I'll mentally make note, since the products I review I actually use. So let's take a look here. It says in the first bullet point, it says, here's 2 things that stand out for me. Superior durability and scratch resistance. So scratch resistant is important. So I would include that in my review. And then it is slim, power core slim. So that's important. Well, why is slim important? Well, a slim battery can fit in your back pocket. If you ever go out to the bar or restaurant, or you're running around, especially girls or guys, you can just throw that in your back pocket. So that's a benefit of it being slim. And I'm going to get more into the feature benefit, but that stands out to me. Okay. Slim size, big power. So what is big power? Well, it's 10,000 milliamperes. Well, what's important about 10,000 milliamperes? If I tell you this battery is 20,000 milliamperes, what does that mean to you? The average person doesn't understand that. So you need to describe the benefit, or, showcase the benefit. This battery is 10,000 milliamperes. What that does for you is it allows you to charge your phone 2.5 times. So it's going to keep you charged while you're on the go. Okay, so that would be an example of how to spin that. But go ahead and go through this. You could talk about power IQ. There's a voltage boost technology. So if you understand that those are technical terms, but if you can spin it into a benefit in your review, very good. Superior safety. And then the final bullet point, what you get: power core slim 10,000 portable charger. You also get the micro USB cable. That's important. Explain that, hey, with this charger, You also get the cable, and I don't have one here, but you get a cable with it that'll allow you to charge it. You keep it with you on the go. It comes with a foam case that you can put your battery in, so that'll help you keep from scratching it. It also allows you to keep the cable in there, so you can take the cable with you, keep the cable in the pouch with the battery on your go, and you'll always have power wherever you are. So that's an example of how to spend feature benefit, but we're going to dig into that more. So let's get to it. So step 4 is add your own personal experience. So if you have personal experience with the product, it's always good to give that personal testimony, right? So I personally use this battery. The great thing about using this battery is I keep it in my back pocket because it's slim. It fits perfectly in the back. Now I'm able to keep my phone charged no matter where I go. So that's an example. Okay, so just to drill home the feature benefit so you can get your mind wrapped around this concept. So this is the exact battery that we're talking about. What you want to do is introduce the product at the beginning. Hey guys, this is the Anker Power Bank 313. This is the power bank that has 10,000 milliamp hours. What's great about that is it has plenty of power to charge your iPhone 12 2.5 times. So let's break that down. So I introduced the product and I actually added the product name and model number. So that's important because it's an Anker, that's the product brand. And then the model is 313. So that's important. I'm not sure if Amazon actually looks at the keywords you use in the video, but it doesn't hurt because I know YouTube does. And I wouldn't be surprised if Amazon doesn't follow suit if they're not already. So keep that in mind. Now, the feature, right? This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. We learned that by looking at the product description. So why is that important? Now we need to talk about the benefit. This has 10,000 milliamp hours. This will charge your iPhone 12 2 times or whatever it is. You need to figure that out. Don't lie, but figure out what it is. Okay, the next feature, it is slim design. Now I've already touched on this. It fits in your back pocket. Now you also want to include, not only will it fit in your back pocket, but if you carry a purse, it's great because it'll fit in the side pocket and you can keep it in there and it doesn't take up a lot of space. If you have a backpack, it's perfect because you can throw it in one of the side pockets and you'll not even know it's there. Something like that, right? Okay, now the final feature that we're going to talk about. It has USB-C charging, and you learned about that by reading the description. So this has USB charging. Now, why is that important? It's important because it'll charge this battery faster than using the mini USB cable that comes with it. So if you have a USB cable laying around, go ahead and use that because it'll charge the battery a lot faster. Okay, so that's the benefit. So that's how you craft a review that will pass and get you into Onsite commissions. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. So I've pretty much outlined a way for you to craft your own script. Everything you need to pass Onsite commissions, I just told you how to do. Now, if you need more help than that, you can hire me, and there's a link on my Linktree, and there'll probably be a link in the description. You can hire me, and I'll give you a script that you can use. All you have to do is plug in all the details, feature benefit, product name, and you'll have a script. But I've already given you everything you need. But if you need more help, you can go to my Linktree and see if that is what you need. So anyways, good luck on your journey, and I hope you get approved for Onsite commissions because there's a ton of opportunity there to make a decent amount of money. So I'll see you guys in the next video.